Hey Bobby, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I made this short video for Meyer and Depew. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 things you could do today to help you bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you saw and heard, shoot me a message and we can definitely chat. If not, it's okay by me. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks, and I'll try to keep this video short. So the first thing, content. As you can see, I'm on your guys' homepage right here. And when I say content, I mean anything from the videos to the words and even the buttons. So a general rule of thumb to score and rank high on Google searches, you want to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page right here. And you want to make sure those words are keyword rich and very targeted. So at least 1,500 or more. And just another free tip, the pictures that are on here also matter on what's behind them, meaning how they're actually saved. So let me give you an example. Let me try to save this picture right here, see what pops up. It just says truck. So immediately you could go in there and change the description and put in some keywords behind that picture. That'll automatically help rank this page higher than it already is. So just like very small things, but all tips and techniques which help a lot. So that's the first thing, content. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. So I just did a quick search on Google for HVAC companies, and this is also to show you how the customer sees when they search something on Google. So the first thing they see is this top section right here, these boxes. This is called the Google Guarantee. This is basically a paid service through Google in which you got to verify your business with them through a verification process. Once you go through that, they allow you to put your ads over here. It's a very good spot to be because it's the first thing customers see, and people have been getting a lot of high quality leads from these Google guaranteed ads. Secondly, we move down to the traditional Google ads right here, which are just hit or miss. I won't talk too much about them because in 2020 a lot of people have ad blockers and they're not going to see this at all, or people just skip through them altogether due to bad experiences in the past. But if placed properly, I will say with the correct words and the correct offer, they can definitely help you get some leads as well. Moving down, we go to the map pack section. I'll tell you what a citation is. A citation is anywhere on the web which allows you to put your business information in, such as your business name, address, and phone number. That's exactly what's going on this page right here. So in my recommendation, you definitely want to have your business show up on these top 3 map pack listings. Lastly, we move down to this section, which is called the organic section. Is where websites have organically beat out other websites through pages and pages and moved up to the first page of Google. You'll also see here like websites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and like expertise.com. These are national directories, but the main thing is the websites which have organically beat out their competitors and made it to the first page. The last thing I'll talk about today is backlinks. A backlink is any website out there which gives a link to your website and helps move traffic to you and also gives you keywords. So I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service, but it gives me really valuable information on assessing the performance of a website. So as you can see, I've typed in your website right here, and it shows me that you have 124 referring domains, giving you 809 backlinks, which give you about 1,100 organic keywords, which in return give you about 753 people visiting your website per month. Now to put this into context, I'll show you a website which is in the New York City area, the greater New York City area rather, and show you their numbers. Here we go. So you can see it's a pretty big difference. As you can see, they've got 826 referring domains, giving them 4,200 backlinks, giving them 7,800 keywords, which in return give them at least 18,000 people visiting their website, organic traffic every single month. So this will just show you a comparison. Let me go back to yours. So to boost all these numbers, it's very doable. It's exactly what we specialize in, along with all the other stuff that I mentioned to you today. So let me go back to your home page right here. So I told you I'll keep the video short. That's all I had for you today. I hope you found this video to be educational, and if you like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can definitely chat. My information will be in my email signature. If not, no worries. Enjoy these free tips I've given you today. If you could please just give me some feedback on the video and how I did, I'd really appreciate it. Once again, thank you for your time and you have a great day.